Alright, now I'll show you something now. You see right now, how we are in our community in a common. Because they must say common is the most gunman community and the most dangerous community in a Kingston 19, which is Unready Road, there are Park Lane, 100 Lane, Common, Jackson Town, we out there in Casa Park and Aki Walk, the one in Mooney and Gully, but right up to where Manning Road and where my brother side named Cassava Peace. Alright, them say Common Center, the worst place, everybody afraid of ya. Well, before me come in other community, you know, people used to tell me, say right now, be an artist get beaten up here, be a gunman there up here and disrespect people. Alright, me come up here, so me come amongst you them and me see the youth them. And me applaud you them. I'll show you how serious we get to the community. Because since me come here, we put everything in place to cut down crime and violence. The youth them are check different. I'm going to show you how serious the youth them are check. Look right here, so now. Now turn on the camera. Alright. See that's how I wall. But watch ya now. Watch ya. Hold on. No, we want. Oh, come here. Lift it up. Lift up that. Show the people. Let me see this. This is some little pop shotgun that the youth them are make. This is what we do. We send for every gun, every little youth have a gun. Every one of them here. Where you see us so? This a pop shotgun. This when you put the shot now, you put the clappers in here so. And you light it. And when it lit, you have to fly out and lick you. You hear? You see it? When this fly out, you get a real lick. You understand me? And still up all the side, you see every one of them what they make, well that's how we are run. The community not even fun gun we don't want in it. We disarm every gun from the little youth them, down to the tie gun them. Yeah? So I want to know saying common sense is no nonsense. It's a unified community. You understand? That little juvenile, let's see them there. We send every one of them for every tie gun where them make. Whether our clappers make it, whether a iron make it, a board make it, this is a crime-free community. No guns allowed. You hear? None. Nobody now dead. So if even a man comes to come say one war, we know, and him and the police are go war, because we not retaliate because not even pop shot gun, we don't want in our community. So we have been for the tree them from them young. So a little juvenile here, and some more of them are gone out the road. So them you know, we will teach them say right now, in a week I go buy a projector. So I put on the corner out there, so you want now. Here's some ice cream Sunday keep. Let me show you out now a square, because I'm supposed to see the bounce about them and everything from there, right? So see the square in so upstairs my studio there. Yeah? And here's how we keep ice cream Sunday. Every living youth in this community, I feel live right. We don't want no war, we don't want no crime, we don't want no violence, and we don't want the youth them happy. No negativity. You understand me? So watch you know people. I want to know say you know. This is what the type of Jamaica we're looking forward for. All I know where they are foreign over the world. We don't come in back from foreign and know say. We can't go back to the garrison them because we want Jamaica becomes a full-fledged tourist resort. And we're not looking if we ask the government for help and them not help with. We ask the corporate Jamaica for help and they not help with. You have to wait if we take up the responsibility on ourselves and put our garrison community them together. So me I call out for all I man them in a feed them community now. See it here, we are take even the fool thing them. Just like how the police them are tested and collect 16 aim handgun and 20. Watch out now. Watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 handgun them here for the youth them you know. And see one big fat blood matic here you know for the youth them you know. Then see the man them have machine gun here again you know for the youth them you know. And nether gun this again for the youth them. So here we are wipe out all gun. You understand? So I saw we want the them going to go through the community them where the little juvenile them there and I deal with badness. Or even I use gun for a fun toy. And change the thing because them are the future you know. And I can't make our mistake before them downfall. I that more want to know. So that today I for deal with them now. Because right now you know, I up and life we say with the phantom where I say right now. We want Jamaica to be a better place to live. Because me there and me hear enough time more people were born and grow at Jamaica say them no want to come back here because them afraid of gunman, them afraid of thief and them afraid of murderer. Jamaica get violent, but you want now. We have to stop it from early age. Because we the big man them we used so bad in the days. We no bad again now. We just easy and step our corner and try help youth them for uplift. We are survive it. And we don't want the youth them we are coming now no get to survive it. So that we are telling us say, more no give an helping hand. Do like what we are doing in our community. Even the little pop shotgun them, we are take them from the youth them. You understand me? So let me tell you say, we want to make this be on a new year resolution. This is what common sense people are doing. We're not supporting with the kids them with no gun, no form of weapon for them ties. If them are give any weapon for ties, must weapon of education, weapons of upliftment, weapons of development, weapons of a brighter future, weapons of youth for steadfast, look forward, and know say yeah, me a focus. Me no want no look on 2017. To be a gun here, a killing here, and me I tell you something. From a bad man point of view, no say I'm no bad now. No bad like me. Cause me live 50 and the next month me have 51. Yeah? And that's the only time you can say you're bad. My friend them will live and for sick and dead, them bad. You understand me? The man them were there so all know and down dead, them bad. Uno were born and start bad at the age of 16 and dead at the age of 17, dead at the same age of 16, dead at the age of 18, 19 and 20 and 21. And a badness that my youth, real bad man outlive the life where he used to live. Real bad man live to make him youth them live better and half he got turn no band, no gunman, no criminal, no thief. Real bad man uplift them community, protect the people them in them community. A real bad man now kill woman and pick my youth. Real bad man now walk and rape people my youth. Real bad man now burn down house my youth and burn up baby mother and burn up like a pitney way for go to school my youth. If you this a real bad man, in wait till him hold you and cuff out your head side. If you this a real bad man, in wait till him hold you and when the government say at 2 on war, when them say at 2 on war, one drop one, the government not too stress that no because they get to the one side of the war. You go to jail still when them hold you. But if nobody no come to court, everything good. You understand? But when you go around and kill the people in the community, we cannot do anything. Cannot hurt you. All them can do a ball, oh Lord Jesus Christ. You feel that make the country be a better place to live? No, if someone look on Jamaica from the time when me I see it, you know that know it's a time for no Lego crime and violence. Time for no put on gun. Because me know when Jamaica was a country where in a city Kingston you could count every car. From Kingston 11, 12, 13, come right back to 19, you could count who have car and know how much car. You could know how much car you pass one day in the country. No. From 3 o'clock in the evening, a matter of fact, from 12 o'clock, you have a slight traffic jam. And from it touch 2:33, you have a bumper to bumper traffic jam right through City Kingston until 11 o'clock at night time. You understand? The earliest traffic leave off of the road is 9 o'clock. And when it's serious, it a drop till 11. That's a country that is growing. When me know Jamaica, we never have no toll booth. We have 2 airports. Now we have about 5 airports. Because you can left from Miami and land at St. Mary. You left from Miami and land at Portland. You understand me? And you can left from Miami and land at Negril. One time I go Montego Bay and Kingston, you can land. Well, me will tell you something. One time you could have count too much hotel in Jamaica. You know, say you'd have Jamaica Pegasus, and you'd have Holiday Inn, and you'd have Wyndham. Now you can't count the hotel them. You have Rio, you have Ibero Star, you have Pegasus, Wyndham Bundong, you have Spanish Court, you have Terry Nova. You in a City Kingston alone. Motel, you can't count them in Jamaica because right now back road no continents have no business place more than motel. So Jamaica is on the rise. If you sit down at Jamaica on a main road and count how much Benz and how much BMW, you count for 15 minutes. You stay in America and drive up and down for a whole day and you never get to see much Benz. The only place you might see more Benz more in Jamaica or Europe and because of this of them bill. Here, no more no look into yourself and no say the country never do nothing yet. We are the one who damage the country because as long as the community is there, before we born until we come in it and come out of it, you never hear say, Marlord get up and kill a man. You never hear say Towel get up and kill a man. You never hear say Tivoli Garden get up and kill a man. You never hear say Cantburn Pen, Common Sense, 100 Lane, Park Lane. None of these community one are called Garrison community and I get the community bad name. Never do nobody nothing yet. It's the people in the community. So it's up to us, it's our responsibility to make a stand and make sure say, oh, let me tell you something. When tourists come to Jamaica, I think they have to go and niggle alone. Them fi go in at the ghetto them. Them fi come live with ghetto people because Jamaica people are the nicest people in the world with a nation to itself. But the only thing we need to do for focus, we make sure say we join a bond with each other that we love and cherish and care for each other. You understand me? And help to build this country what it's supposed to be because the Prime Minister alone can't do it, you know. The leader of opposition alone can't do it. You're not going like everything is up to the government. It's up to we, the Jamaican people, to drop all arms and step forward, look for a brighter Jamaica for 2017. For best of health, best of wealth, and members want to seek more God. A crime-free country, a peaceful country, and a country that tourists can come and enjoy themselves because Jamaica are the nicest Caribbean country in the world. Everybody wanna come to Jamaica. Everybody in the world love Jamaicans. Everybody wanna be with the Jamaicans. The Jamaicans need to be with themselves. You don't need to love the world and love yourself like how the people them love you. If you want to know how much Jamaican been loved, you never watch when Olympic one, you don't ever see the flag them as fuel in everywhere. Watch when Olympic one and Usain Bolt touch the track. If you notice in the 14th corner of the stadium, remember me tell you Jamaica flag a fly over where American people, they over Canadian people, over European people, the African people. Jamaica flag in the midst of every living soul. That is love. You hear? When with one time Jamaican reggae boys reach semi-final of World Cup, it's the only team that the flag scattered all over the field. That is love. Well, people, it's time for you to love yourself like how the world love you. And let us look forward for a brighter 2017. Big up the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Big up Mama Portia who decide to step down. I mean, I don't know who them are put up yet. I mean, I don't care who them want put up. But all me want know my country I go up like one and we not bend like 7. If I not 1, I 11. If I not 11, 111 we straight like a arrow can bend. Sky's the limit. Jamaican drop the crime, drop the violence and let us ride to the sky. Higher altitude. That me I tell you. You have to deal with it like it's a snake car. Because the higher the snake go, the more it suffer. It must dead. So you see when you see things that go on like it and hold you back, let's move for a higher altitude. And Jamaica will be a better place. You understand me? Me want to see Jamaica. I see Mark Sheets come here and say him want, when him left here, when you can stay from Maran Point to Nigville Point and you're a pin drop. Well, we don't want that happen because the people are no body come from foreign come make we have to do that. We want to look into ourselves and know say we are the one to stand up now and make sure say Jamaica one place when you come here, they don't go pin you for your job a party pin. You understand? They don't go pin you for your job the happiness pin. You understand? They don't go pin where for your job the pin where they the love and unity. They don't go pin where for your job at the pin where say Jamaica rising to the top and ain't no looking back. But you see the firing pin them fi pull out and dash you and stop. You understand me? And we are talk to all the man them, whether you're a scammer, you're a drug dealer, you're an entertainer, you're a bad man, you're a police, you're a soldier, you're a civil servant, or just a normal, regular Jamaican person. I can tell you something, all me a beg you know. Don't let me down, you know. Because me say one house a gun, you know. And now me say gun to put down, you know. You think the judge like to send a man to prison for we're not sure about? But when the case then come in front of them have to say, boy, it looks serious. And just to set an example, some man go prison innocent while the victim, them where they are road, they kill the people, them, I do more crime. You understand me? We want to cut out the thing when they crime. Crime was an epidemic who created by Babylon system. Just like how they create AIDS, Ebola, and all these things where you say are going. Crime was the first epidemic for them to create it. Get out of control and them cannot control it back. Because what? people get addicted to them crime, like you get addicted to cocaine, and you get addicted to gun, you get addicted to everything. Well, I can tell you something. There's only one addiction for mankind that they're supposed to be addicted to. They're supposed to be addicted to man and woman. A woman supposed to be addicted to a man, and a man addicted to a woman. Relationship, the next thing we want to be addicted to the Almighty God. You understand? Because if we not live right, we not going to survive. So when I say, let us move forward, man. And with that, I tell my fans, them say, I wish you a productive and a progressive 2017, and that is my speech for you all and my broadcast to the whole of my nation. I love you, know, and I tell you, say, Donald Trump win, and me can't tell you, say, some of you know we are afraid, you don't worry yourself, because I tell you something, when things like this happen, you don't have to know, say, Donald Trump is in a position where he have to be a good president. And he have to be a president who work for everybody's satisfaction. He have the hardest task in the White House right now. Because all I'm expectation them have to be fulfilled. All I'm promise them. So either you're going to make America white again, or you're going to leave America for the rest of people them. If you're you're going to make America rise again, or you're going to leave America because they not take no foolishness from you, my friend. So all of these things that you promise, don't go up your carry them out for 2017. Because I'm not business about your country, because I don't have to come there. I have a very lovely country, and everything that you have in your country, I have it in mind. We have money, we have every living thing here, and where we don't have, we can buy. Because we have our own money. We're rich. We are the richest Caribbean country in our world. We wear the dearest shoes, the dearest clothes, the dearest car, we're bossy. In I get to the most Benz and BMW there. So nobody feel like we don't need to come America, Canada, or England, or nowhere. We don't go need for no say. We love you know, and we respect you know, as the bigger place, then we set the pattern for we, and we honor you. We respect any president come, we respect him still, but we don't got to say, just come and do good. We not talk to our country alone, we talk to the whole entire world. You understand me? It's not time for segregation, it's time for unification. And some of the rich people out there were wicked, not blouse and skirt. Because it's true, I go live and I don't want to talk no way, and the speech is so constructive. I don't really want to use no profanity. But some of the people are wicked. Because you can't stop the starvation, sufferation, and tribulation we are going on. No wicked rich millionaires out there. Because some of them say 70 billion people or so in the 700 billion people in the world or so, you know say. How much man in the world have more than $700 billion? Eh? I don't want to help the rest of poor people because I don't want to say, I don't want rich people dead. I can tell you something. All I want rich people, I got dead left with no richness, yeah? I don't live with no richness, I got dead left. So I would have given you a word of advice in 2017. You know, if you take some of your richness and walk through the place them where poor people need it, whether black, white, Indian, Syrian, Chinese, I don't care who no want help. But to start help some people who are less fortunate to make the world a better place. Because until you start help the less fortunate people, them, you won't cut out of crime and violence. And you know, to build this epidemic, we alone feel it. Now it is reaching out in our backyard. If you don't do something about it by helping the poorer class people to reach somewhere in life, even to reach the second class or the third class, you understand me? They not to reach first class. But there's 4 classes. You have second class, third class, and first class, and the Dimbo Bucket class that I want to run up here in my mind. So take them out of the stage of being a Dimbo Bucket and put them in a third class, second class. I want to stay up on the first class. You know, always I got have people to work with them. You cannot care how they're rich, they're gonna have to work because them have to help to keep the country going. Stop this poverty system on have poor people suffering. Then we will talk to the Prime Minister of Jamaica and the rest of the people in the world. We don't stop pressure reggae music and dancehall music because we don't know the music that we not support no form of animosity and nastiness and carelessness and sinfulness and ungodliness. So we don't know that this music is the music where lead people the right direction. And it's so full of filthiness and want to work for Satan. It's so easy to work for the devil and it's so hard to work for God. And we want to take the devil away and through that we fight in reggae music and dancehall music. And I'm telling you something, if you feel like me no name people here and you can't poison me no way. You no kill Bob Marley and feel like so nobody not going to talk about you. Well, me I go tell you something. I kill Bob Marley. And me I talk all like something them from now. And I go tell you how me sit down and analyze and you kill Bob Marley. You don't realize that Bob Marley, the younger man, was dead from cancer and I'm big too, and nobody else not dead from that the cancer there. I'm going to show you know son a wicked and murderer. Squinching where you used to play bass at this year. Bone cancer him have from the day on the sleep mag and can't get fat. You don't think a sickle cell him have bone cancer. From him foot go right up. And him never dead till the bone cancer reach now him brains and him turn vegetable and them lie down and them pull the plug and take him out of the world. And so that the man have bone cancer and live so long. And Bob Marley have cancer in 92 alone and dead in a no time. Me know no try kill me all kind of something, but let me tell you something. Me don't know me, you know. Bob Marley tell me about me before him go in. Him say, oh, what a rat race. Some are gargan, some are hooligan, some are guinea gun in this rat race. Nothing we can do gargan, nothing. Ninja means sended by God, blessed by God, and come here to teach people what God sent me to teach. You can't pies me, you can't give me no coke. You try coke me out already and try kill me, you know. And feel like me I eat that, you know. You kill Bob Marley, you kill Gregory Isaac, you kill Dennis Brown. Everybody will make people know truth and rights. So you know say Bob Marley was alive. Africa would die in a peace. I man say African unite. The younger man will have a number one song. I whole Africa continent. You kill him. Garnet still can come like him. And you kill him too, burn him up in a fire. Buju Bantana come like him. I want to do prison him. Everything will get reincarnation and come in a Bob Marley spirit to know wipe it out. But let me tell you something. I'm me and the gargan. Me send it by God. You can't stop me from talk. You can't beat me, but my word you can't stop. You know, like a wicked way I fight down reggae music. Where reggae music not do nothing. I not try to kill out the music because I know so the music I put people when they put. You not talk about slackness, not talk about this. They not talk about man for bow and do all kind of something. Woman for do and support the whole of them something there. But the music we are telling us, Lego them something there and deal with God thing. You don't want to let it go. But me I go tell you something. If you don't think you can't fight it till the day the God come. God I go take over back the fight from now and going turn up back reggae music from now. Every song that come after reggae music, you know, push them ahead and push down reggae music. Every reggae dancehall artist that is very influential and powerful and we can teach people truth and rights. You know, do something to make them segregate and set them to fight and set them to live like hag and dog. You know, want to bring in something and man not even deal with the music thing again. They might deal with who rich and who. Well, me I tell you something. No DJ will out there talk about them rich, then don't rich. Me is the richest DJ in the world. Because I'm going to tell no how me rich. Somehow I don't spend phone money. I don't spend my money. I am so rich that I spend God money. Any man when I spend God money, I have no money. Because God money can't done, but my money can't done. And everything, any problem where anybody have, and then check Ninja Man. Ninja Man here if you can solve it. Not because of my money, but it's because of the money that God give me. And anything when you ask me for me, just tell God, say, yeah, my Father God, I want this enough to deal with this. And him say, all right. Him say, them tell people, say, God help those that help themselves. And him call me and tell me, say, that's a lie. Him say, I help those that cannot help themselves. So to me is a man we know say God money me I spend. Me share my God money with everybody and don't leave me country and boast and hype about when me have and who me have and who no like me to when me have. Cause me no business when nobody want have and me no care when nobody want have, you know, cause that God me have, you know. And from me have God me no care. Or that me I tell you. So yeah, me no have a productive and a progressive new year. I love you know. And I don't know live up like one. See you no come. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Get some car and start.